It's that time of year. Seafood, seafood, seafood is all I think about all summer long. And in this recipe, I'm showing you a different way how I try to make my peony shrimp using the air fryer. Peel and eat shrimp are such a favorite of mine. Don't they remind you of summer cookouts and seafood bakes and just all things seafood that CJ hates? So for peel and eat shrimp, you want to get wild caught shrimp are best. Get them thawed already, and then you're just going to take them home, and we're not going to peel them. We're just going to take our scissors and cut along the top of the shrimp. This way they can butterfly, they become easier to peel, and you can remove anything gross that's inside of that shrimp. So then we're gonna take some fresh garlic. Fresh garlic, smash it, and then just roughly chop. And by roughly chop, I mean the way that me and my mom keep showing you that we just seriously roughly chop. Does not have to be perfect. It's just for flavor, unless you like picking at the garlic and eating it, like I do, because it's good for you. So then we're just gonna toss our shrimp with that fresh garlic, loads of Old Bay, and some olive oil. I'm gonna keep adding that Old Bay until I see every shrimp covered in it. A little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and you wanna keep those lemons that you squeezed and tuck it into those shrimp because that's gonna cook along with our shrimp. While it's cooking, that lemon is just going to really get into that shrimp. We're gonna stick our shrimp into the air fryer to cook on medium to medium high heat for just about 6 minutes. Being sure to check every couple minutes. You do not want to burn yours, and you do not want to overcook. Shrimp is very easily overcooked, and when you do, the shells will either stick to your shrimp or your shrimp will become rubbery and tough, and no one wants to eat a rubbery shrimp. So while they're cooking, we have just enough time to make cocktail sauce. So we're just gonna add some ketchup, some horseradish, fresh horseradish, the one that you get prepared that's in the cold section, not by the sauces in the middle aisles. Add some Tabasco sauce or your favorite hot sauce, and I always add a little squeeze of lemon. Mix that up, give it a little taste test, and make sure it's to your desired liking. Check your shrimp halfway, give them a little shake in the air fryer if they need it. Once they are done, which is exactly when they're just all the way around orange and perfectly colored, take them out of the air fryer, plate them up, or eat them right out of the basket, served alongside that cocktail sauce. These things are messy and delicious. I always love to add a little bit extra Old Bay to the top, sit around a table full of seafood, and get messy by peeling them and eating them and enjoying them, and oh my goodness, they're so good. I hope you guys give these peel and eat shrimp a try with your friends around a table and enjoy them and post them and share them. And be sure to check out blackstoneproducts.com for more recipes from all of us. I am Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.